What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today I have a Halloween sign I painted using spray paint in one shot. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get into the project. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, leave me a thumbs up, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Happy Halloween, everyone. And I'll try better next time.